Hey guys, Jamin here at PC Monkey, bringing you another do-it-yourself computer video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out all your system specs and your model number on your computer. Oftentimes when I'm walking people through computer repairs, I find that they don't know their system specs, they don't know their model number, and they don't know how to find those pieces of information. So in this video, hopefully now I'll have something to forward to you when we're trying to diagnose a problem with your computer and I need actual specific information on your computer. I'm going to show you 4 different ways to find your system specs and your model information. Regardless of what issues you're having, you should be able to do at least one of these, if not several. So I'll start off and I'll take you through them one by one. So the first way that I'm going to show you is to come down on the bottom and open up your File Explorer. And then on the left hand side, you're going to right click on this PC, come down to Properties. This is one of the easier ways. With just a few clicks you can do it. As you can see here, most of your system information is here. You can see your processor information, your RAM, system type, and you can see down here that Windows is activated. It's always good when you're purchasing a computer to make sure that Windows is legit and activated. Sometimes people reload Windows but they're not authentic copies, so that's always a good thing to check. You can also see your Windows 10, what version of Windows you're running. And if you notice you can't see your hard drive information here, just exit out of this box, come over to this PC, click on it, and then you can see your local disk right here. You can see your free hard drive space there. So that's one way to get kind of a brief overview, not too detailed, but a brief way to get a lot of your main system specs. The second way we'll go over is your system settings. So down here on the bottom left, your start key, right click on it, and then come up here to System and click on that. Right here in the middle, scroll down, Device Specifications. This will give you a lot of the information we just saw in that first method. And if you want to see your storage, come over here, down to Storage, click on that. And this will give you right up top here, this will give you the same information again that we saw in that first way. 93.2 gigabytes free of your main hard drive. If you have any external devices plugged in, external hard drives, these will also be listed here as well. The next way to do this is through the command prompt. So you're going to come down to your search bar again, type in CMD, and that brings up your command prompt app. Click on that. You're going to type in systeminfo.exe. systeminfo.exe. Enter. This will give you a bunch of information. You see your manufacturer there. You see the full model number. In this computer, it's an Inspiron 153567. You see your processor information, your operating system information. So you'll see a lot of information here. This is a really good way to get all this information depending on what you're looking for your computer. The last way of doing it that I'll show you is again down here in the search bar. Type in System Info. There it is. It comes up. You click on that. And again, this gives you a ton of information. It gives you your brand, your model number. It gives you your processor and all this information. This is kind of the best way to find out a lot of this stuff. And then if you want your storage, come over to Components, Storage, and then Drives. And again, that'll show you the 93.21 free space on the hard drive. And again, if you have any external devices or additional drives, they'll show here. Hopefully that helped you out. Again, if I'm walking you through a repair process and I need to know your storage size, I need to know your model number, or if you need to know any information, hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any additional questions, check out the frequently asked questions below in the description. If you need to leave me a comment, do so. I try to get back to you guys a few times a day at least. Like and share if this did help you out, and if you enjoyed do-it-yourself repair, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.